And action. You ready to sing?
Action.
Action. You gonna sing?
Action. Action.
Action. Ashes, we all fall down. You ready to sing?
Maybe you gotta get it started.
Okay, let's go. Sing Jesus Loves Me, okay? Sing. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves
Mommy.
me. Yes, Jesus. For the Bible tells me so. Yay! You have a beautiful voice, Kalissa. Can you say beautiful? You gonna sing some more?
More.
More. You gonna have oatmeal?
Oatmeal.
Daddy's gonna feed you oatmeal?
Oatmeal.
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 Did you have fun at church today?
Church.
Did you have fun?
Fun.
Why are you yelling? Can you use your quiet voice? Good girl, quiet